You look at that chart on the wall and you think it's just boxes, don't you? The periodic table is a map, and I am the cartographer. What does a real chemist see? Patterns, predictability, power. Start with the rows, periods. Why do properties shift left to right? Electrons, shells filling up. Do you notice how atoms get smaller across a period as nuclear charge pulls electrons tighter? What does that do to ionization energy? It climbs. Why? Because taking an electron from a tightly held grip is a fight. Do you like fights you can't win? Columns, groups, or families. Why do alkali metals in group 1 practically leap to give up one electron, getting more reactive as you go down? Bigger atoms, looser hold. Drop sodium in water and ask yourself how much energy is waiting to explode when a single electron finds a better home. How far are you willing to push that? Now look at the halogens, group 17, hungry for one electron. Pair them with alkali metals and what do you get? Ionic bonds, stable lattices, salt from Fury. But if both elements are greedy, what happens? Covalent sharing. Do you see how electronegativity, the pull on electrons, rewrites the rules of bonding? Transition metals in the middle, variable oxidation states, d orbitals, catalysts that make the impossible routine. Why can they wear different charges like suits and still keep their composure? What reactions would you drive if you could choose the right suit, the right metal, the right conditions? Noble gases far right, full valence shells. Inert, or at least they pretend to be. What does a completed electron shell feel like? Quiet. Stability has a taste. Do you crave that, or do you crave change? Mendeleev left gaps and dared the world to fill them. Why could he predict unknown elements' properties before they were found? Because periodicity is law, not luck. What would you dare to predict with a pattern that reliable? I am the one who knocks, and I knock on the doors of arrangement, configuration, consequence. Are you asking the table the right questions? How big? How hungry? How tight the hold? What bond will form and why? We're done when I say we're done. Now, you have the map. Where are you going to take it?